Habibi, let me talk to you about some things. I promise they are useful and will not turn you aside from good. God willing, you will hear me. So I say to you first and always, understand, learn, think of, and always strive for good. Good is simple. It is what God wants. It is mercy, wisdom, love, and knowledge. So many people claim to know what he wants, just as the Prophets Guild did. And these ideas will lead you to ruin. Keep tight to the words written and the lessons I have taught you. One day I will be gone, and there will be no one to answer when you call for me. This is as it always has been, and until humanity finds a way to say otherwise, it shall remain as such. So understand why our time together is so important. Hold on to honesty, speak with truth and wisdom, and at every opportunity, no matter how much it may hurt, look for and pursue wisdom. Learn, think, do what we were created to do from the womb. Grow, heal, laugh, and learn. Whenever you hear talk of joining a war or doing this and that to someone who deserves it, do what those around you won't. So you consider, learn, and reason. Like Cyrus, Yeshua, Mohammed, Constantine, Suleiman, Lu Dongbin, along with so many other warlords, philosophers, and rulers did in their lifetimes. If it takes being like Diogenes, then risk becoming a cynic over it. Consideration, education, and reason are that important.